Hi, welcome to Math Master. This is SARITHA. Today our topic is Isosceles Trapezium. So what is an isosceles trapezium? So in the previous class we have discussed all different types of properties of a trapezium. So all those properties are also applicable to isosceles trapezium. This is also a trapezium. This isosceles trapezium is also a trapezium in which the non-parallel sides are equal. See, yesterday we have seen a trapezium is nothing but if a quadrilateral has one side as a parallel, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then we said that it is a trapezium. And what is an isosceles trapezium? So isosceles trapezium is nothing but it is a trapezium. Means first of all it should be a trapezium. Then these two non-parallel sides, these AB and CD, we call them as a non-parallel sides, right? So those two must be equal. So if these two are equal, then we call this trapezium as a isosceles trapezium. So as this is a trapezium, all the properties of trapezium are also applicable for isosceles trapezium. Along with them, we have some more properties for this especially. So what is the property of isosceles trapezium? See, these are angles, right? Internal angles of a trapezium. So these are parallel sides and these are non-parallel sides. So the angles which have the parallel side as a common arm. You check these two angles, angle B and angle C. For these two angles, this BC arm is common. So the angles which have the parallel side as a common arm are always equal, which is nothing but this angle B is equal to angle C, isn't it? And you have this parallel side also. So these two angles have this parallel side as a common arm. So that is why these two angles are also equal, which is nothing but angle A is equal to angle D. Okay, this is the first property. And the second property is, see, these are opposite angles of a isosceles trapezium. See, angle B and angle D. These are opposite angles. These opposite angles are always supplementary in case of isosceles trapezium, which is nothing but angle B plus angle D, which is equal to 180 degrees. As well as these angle C and angle A are also opposite angles. Those two angles are also supplementary, which is nothing but angle A plus angle C, which is also equal to 180 degrees. See, this is not possible in case of normal trapezium. So that is only possible in case of isosceles trapezium because the non-parallel sides are equal here. Okay. And the third property is this isosceles trapezium is always a cyclic quadrilateral. So what is a cyclic quadrilateral? So if you take a quadrilateral, all four vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle. See, if you draw a circle, so all the vertices of a trapezium, isosceles trapezium, lie on the same circle. So that is why we call this quadrilateral as a cyclic quadrilateral. So isosceles trapezium is always a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and the fourth property is, see, this is a trapezium and these two are diagonals of a trapezium, AC and BD. So these diagonals of isosceles trapezium are always equal in length. Means this AC is equal to BD. Okay, and as well as this is the intersection point of these two diagonals, right? So these are, we already discussed about In the trapezium, always the diagonals intersect in the proportional. So along with that condition, it also satisfies that the length of the diagonals are also equal in case of isosceles trapezium. Okay, and these diagonals intersect in proportional, right? As this intersection point is O, OC by OA, which is always equal to OB by OD. Okay, they intersect in proportion. Okay, and isosceles trapezium is always a trapezium, but trapezium need not be isosceles trapezium. If we want a trapezium to be an isosceles trapezium, the condition it should satisfy is the non-parallel sides must be equal. Then it will become an isosceles trapezium. So these are some properties of isosceles trapezium. Thank you.